Hello everyone. Eh, so thank you for having here. Okay. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about my interview experience with Infosys for the system engineer role. So before going into the video, firstly, I just wanted to introduce myself. Uh, so hi everyone, my name is Vivek. Basically, I belongs to Bihar and currently I am working as a software engineer in EY. Okay. So now go into video. So firstly I start with date of application like मैंने कब अप्लाई किया for Infosys. So I applied on 26th of 24 of December. Okay. And on 27th I have exam. So 26 or 27, I think Sunday was there. On that day I had exam. Okay. And after then on the 4th of January, I got a mail uh, like that you have cleared the online test and you have to wait for the interview. Okay. So after 4 days later, I think 8th Tarikh, okay, on 8th of the January, I got a mail and that hi Vivek, dear Vivek, you have an interview on 9th of January, which was Sunday. So all those who think that Infosys do not conduct interview on Sunday, let me tell you one thing that I had given an interview on Sunday. So let make it clear. Okay, on Sunday I think 11:20 to 11:39, 19 minutes का interview था. Okay. So many of friends told me that 8 मिनट होता है 10 मिनट होता है 9 मिनट का होता है कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं. So let me tell you one by one. Okay. In my case, I joined the call on I think 11 17 or 16. Okay. At exact 11:20, interview accepted. I was waiting in lobby and interview. Accepted my request and uh, then we started talking each other. Firstly, he told me that hello Vivek, how are you? And just greeting and that's it. I just tell him that good morning sir and that's all then. Then he told me that okay Vivek, firstly show me any government ID card or PAN card, Aadhaar card, PAN card like that. So I had my Aadhaar card and then I show him that Aadhaar card, sir, and this is it. Okay. Then he told me that something info about him that how much years he have experience in this domain and how much times he have working with Infosys and all. Then he told me that okay Vivek, let's start the interview. So firstly he told me that tell me about yourself. Okay. Then I told him about myself, my name, my where I belongs to, my qualification. Okay. Uh, I didn't mention my 10th and intermediate. Okay, I just mentioned that I have did my BTech in this year from this college and this branch. Okay. And then what are the skills I had? Okay. On intensive trainings, I also did some intensive trainings in front-end development. Okay. So then I told my hobbies, interest, and just some basic stuff like that. Uh, I am a team player, and some of my friends consider me a good problem solver, and that's it. So he told me that okay, Vivek, that's impressive. So let's uh, tell me about your strength and weakness. So I think I thought that in beginning he asking me for the strength and weakness. So I just told you my strength that I am this is जो basic propaganda होता है कि हाँ hard working है motivated है dedicated है quick learner. I told that thing the similar way. So he was bit smiling. Okay. And he asked me about my weakness. So मैं थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा था YouTube वगैरह weakness कैसे बोलना है क्या बोलना होता है. So मैंने अपने weakness को एज ए पॉजिटिव वे में दिखाया कि लाइक आई एम अ बिट more analytic person who usually takes a bit more time on taking a decision. But I also in the last stop of my sentence, I just told him that he also I'm working on that, and I think I have moved far in this situation. So he told me that, okay, Vivek, and then he told me that let's move to the technical part. Well, I just told him that okay, sure. Then he told me that in which programming language you are uh, good, or you are habituated with, or you are what your favorite programming language. I just told him that I'm good. I just told him I'm bit knowledge in C programming. So because then he told me why do you have you learned Java, Python, anything like that? So I just told him that as I have already told that I'm from a secretarial branch, and so I just in the first year of my college I was having C and C++, so I have bit idea of C, and so that's it. He told me that okay. And so Vivek, tell me difference between C and C++. सो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया सी क्या होता है, सी में कैसे काम होता है, सी प्लस प्लस लाइक सी पी ओ पी एस पे काम होता है, एंड सी प्लस प्लस यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन oops. सो मेंशन करने के बाद सी में क्या क्या फंक्शंस होते हैं, सी प्लस प्लस में क्या होते हैं मैंने बताया. आई जस्ट टोल्ड हिम दैट दीज आर थिंग 5 to 4, 4 और 5 बोलने के बाद द इंटरव्यूअर जस्ट स्टॉप मी देयर. ओके विवेक, दैट्स ओके. So now he asked me about, as I have mentioned that OOPS and POPS. So he told me that what is POPS, Vivek. So I think I was not bit confident on POPS. I just tell 4 to 5 sentence in POPS. That's it. Like it moves like the way, the flow way of POPS. Okay. Then he told me that what are OOPS and what is OOPS. So I just told him it is the object-oriented programming language, and so just after finishing my sentence, he asked me what is object. So मैंने object बताया. He told me what is class. So I told him class. Then he asked me that what are the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming, and tell me the real life example of that. So मैंने बताया उन्हें कि like abstraction, calculation जो भी होते हैं 4, ठीक है, उनको real life examples भी बताया मैंने उन्हें, ठीक है. Then he told me that okay Vivek, that's good. And then he asked me about like inbuilt function क्या होते हैं, ठीक है. Then he asked me about like then he moved on to my projects, because in my resume I had mentions my project which I done in my internship, as well as I mentioned one secretarial project which I done in my BTech curriculum. So I just told him which project I have to explain. So he firstly told me that firstly explain your recent project. तो रिसेंट में मैंने एक फुल स्टैक एप्लीकेशन बनाया था, लाइक वेबसाइट इन विच आई हैव यूज्ड लाइक HTML, CSS, and some bootstrap. These are the stuff I use. I just explain him that uh, the other aspect of that. These are skills, technology I have used in this uh, like website. So later on that he told me that what was your role. तो मैं जो रोल था फ्रंट एंड डिजाइन करने का, मैंने बताया कि सर माय रोल वाज दिस and header, footer, and body sections are there. I have designed cell sliders and all. So after then he told me that okay Vivek, so do you have any knowledge in backend part? Like so I just told him that no sir, I have not good idea of that, but I have a bit knowledge on like MySQL and PHP. So he told okay. And so Vivek, now describe your BTech projects. So I just started a MBTech project, and 2 to 3 minutes I just taken like introduction, like the basic abstract about it, and then I just moved the conclusion part. So he told me that okay Vivek, now tell me what are the challenges you have faced in this projects and how you overcome with that. So I just told him that like I have faced these things, and I talk to my seniors, I go to internet and search about that thing and resolve the issue. So later on that, just after that, started asking me about some 1 or 2 managerial question like if your manager is not supportive with you, how you will handle the situation. And like some cases, he told me that if suppose take a situation where you are doing a project and you're doing a work and you are not getting the credit, you are technically taking that credit, how you will handle that thing. So I just explain him that that's how the way I can will manage that thing. Then he in last couple of minutes he asked me about on the basic HR questions, like are you okay with the bond 1 year of bond and all, And are you okay with night shift and the rotation process? Do you have any specific location in your mind, or are you open to any location? These are the basic stuff. I just told him that, and I think that was the whole process. Okay, I think it was 18 minutes. I didn't sure, but it was somewhere around 18 to 17 minutes. And in last, he told me that, okay, Vivek, done from my side. Do you have any question in your mind? So these are the best things. Okay, whoever are watching this video till now, so my suggestion is always ask one or two questions with the interviewer, because it will give him that sense that that guy who is sitting in front of you, okay, he is passionate about the thing. So मैंने उनसे पूछा कि what are the roles and responsibility I will uh, get after joining Infosys. So he told me that there are versatile projects and Vivek, and you have to work on different types of tasks, but you will get training. Do not worry about that. And I just asked one more question, like uh, after having this conversation, uh, like what is feedback or evaluation? So he told me that I can't tell you exact, but I think you are okay in that. Okay, and just you have to train yourself, brush up yourself, and just last he told me welcome to Infosys. Thank you very much. Bye bye, and that's it. So yeah, the whole thing, and so that's it. Which I just wanted to share with you guys that I think it might be help for someone, but not polar, but might be helpful for someone. That's good for me. So thank you very much for waiting till the end, and thanks a lot.